Well, hello. Just want to show this homemade dog grooming station, or whatever you want to call it, bath. Took a 55-gallon drum, and with a angle grinder and a cutoff wheel, I just cut off a section of the top of this 55-gallon drum. Basically, I just put it on top of some shelves that I had, these old wire racks from Home Depot. They were 4 foot wide and 18 inches deep. I just put it there for stability. Just drilled a hole in the bottom over here at the lowest place where the water was puddling. Stuck another tote that I had, that's a 27-gallon tote, and there's a submersible pump in that. So basically, I got the submersible pump running over into that garden hose and going into my laundry sink. So this was all done with stuff that I already had. I had the 55-gallon drum. I bought that for a doghouse that I never made. Paid 10 bucks for it. And, you know, I've been looking at these stainless steel units that are used that are probably over $1,000, and been hesitant to spring and buy one, and they're too far away. Another thing I plan to do here is I've got this this aluminum that's 20 inches tall, but I'll just open one of the legs and then have it like an angle and stick it over here and let the dogs walk up and get in. So, and I don't plan on keeping that rug there. I'm gonna put a shower curtain on the back side and on the front. Gonna have an area over here with a spot so I can tie the dog right up there in the front. So anyway, that's what I got.